You understand what is the meaning of this? Suppose that your name in the house, maybe someone says a Pappu, Gappu, Sappu, anything can say there. But in school name is the main name. That name your board will know by your school name. That's why IUPAC means carbon has a lot of compound is there. Different places has a different name. That's why they are choosing one name. What name is given? IUPAC. Suppose that if there is any of the compound made of the one carbon, this made 2 carbon E, 3 carbon pro, 4 bu, 5 pen, 6 hat, 7 hat, 8 up, 9 non, 10 dead. Now what happens? This is the hydrocarbon. Now I discuss the one is here. You will say the name. Here is the 2 carbon joined by the single bond. 2 means E. A single bond A-N-E. If there is a double bond, then what you will say? E-N-E. Yes. If triple bond is there, then Y-N-E. Yes. Now one name has asked you there. Suppose that one compound has written there. Yes, who will say? Name?
2-methyl-butane.
Yes?
2-methyl-butane.
2? Yes, 2-methyl-butane. Why? Suppose that you say, what is the methyl? First we know the alkyl group. Achha, okay. But not given in the course, but I discussed that. Alkyl group. Alkyl group. What is the alkyl group? Very easy there. Alkane minus 1 hydrogen. Then what we actually there? This is the alkyl group because 1 hydrogen is the less. Alkane 4, 1 is there. Then this is the methyl. But now this is the methyl has given. Where is the methyl? From this side we counting is there 1, 2, 3. From this side 1, 2. Always choose the less number. 2 methyl. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Butane. Now one more I given it there.
Two dimethyl.
2 dimethyl. 2 dimethyl butane. Now one more I given it here. Suppose that one I give it here now. Yes, 2 after that. If you have counted this side, now you cannot count from this side. So 2, 3 dimethyl butane. Who will say name? Say.
2 dimethyl-butane.
Yeah.
2 dimethyl-butane.
Wrong.
Dimethyl-butane.
First we choose the long chain. Which of the long chain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This become the long chain. Long chain. This become the long chain. Now you count it there. From this 1, 2, 3, 4. From this 1, 2, 3. 3. This is the third chain. It becomes the third chain. Yes. Now you want to see? How it is the long chain. Here is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This becomes the long chain. Now you choose the side chain. Side chain from this side 1, 2, 3, 4. From this 1, 2, 3. 3. What is the here? Methyl. 3. Methyl hexane. 3 methyl hexane.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I say you write one for me. और तो मेरी स्ट्रक्चर करो. और तो मैं Yes. First we write the headband. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Headband. Now what I write? 3 ethyl. So 1, 2, 3. Here will be ethyl group. Ethyl. How many hydrogen is there? Carbon is there? Ethyl. 2. Yes. So 1, 2. It becomes the ethyl.
Yes, sir.
After that, all the carbon atoms with the hydrogen. Because this compound is made of the hydrocarbon. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now you write 2, 4 times ethyl hexane.
Sir, left.
Left. Here. Yes. You write 2, 4 times ethyl hexane. You come here. Yes, yes. तुम नहीं समझ रहा, तुम लिखो.
Sir.
2, 4 times ethyl hexane. Butyne you can write it there. Butyne.
Yes, sir.
Show me. Butyne.
Done, sir.
Butyne हो गया. Another way. पहले इसको butyne लिख लो. ये write the butyne. अब हमको इसको करना है butyne. Butyne the butyne. तो ये सिंगल बॉन्ड था. अब कहाँ पर तुम डबल बॉन्ड करना चाहते हो? ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. कहीं भी एक जगह दे. मान लो हम यहाँ पर दिए. ये बॉन्ड दिए, 2 हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस. फिर यहाँ पर एक बॉन्ड और दिया, 2 हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस.
Yes.
Clear? पहले easy. That is not the way, but your easy way. I tell you. First you write the butyne. इसके बाद जिसमें तुमको butyne करना है या butene करना है, bond दोगे. Both of the carbon 2 hydrogen will be replaced. Very good. Understood? Now I give one more is there. Because IPC name will be have that carbon compound. That's why I discuss more to more carbon compound. IPC name. ये तुमको नाम बताएगा. अब अभी देखते हैं. Propene. means single bond, ENE means double bond, और YNE means ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. आप प्रोपेन लिखो पड़े प्रोपेन. प्रोपी ENE.
Sir.
And CBSE board exam, CBSE board given this formula, remember that this is the common formula. CBSE board formula is the CN H, no this is so CN H2N plus 2. N is the number of carbon. Suppose that N is the 4. Carbon is the 4. Then how many hydrogen is there? H. H how many hydrogen is there? 2 into N. N is the 4. 4 plus 2. 2 4 8 plus 2 10. Hydrogen should be 10. Clear? यदि ANE है तो हाइड्रोजन जब डबल इसको एक फॉर्मूला ये रखो कार्बन कितना होगा डबल 2 प्लस 2. और यदि ENE है एल्कीन AL
प्लस 2 नहीं होगा.
हाँ
प्लस 2 नहीं होगा.
क्या
उसमें प्लस 2 नहीं होगा.
उसमें प्लस 2 हाँ ENE भी वही बता रहे हैं. ENE में एल्कीन जो है ALKENE इसमें क्या है CN H2N means we can say there carbon just multiply by the 2. Now you say we want to write the pentene. How many hydrogen?
10.
Huh? 10.
10.
As a pentalkyne YNE
minus 2. minus 2.
और कार्बन मल्टीपल बाय 2 माइनस 2. राइट. यू से पेंटाइन कितना हाइड्रोजन होगा? यू हेक्साइन लिखेंगे. हाउ मेनी हाइड्रोजन रिक्वायर्ड फॉर हेक्साइन? डबल से अरे हेक्साइन में हेक्सिन में 6 डबल 12 6 डबल 12 माइनस 2 10. Now we discuss the homologous series. Okay? Homo means same. And logos means study. Same thing study. हाँ हम कहते हैं क्या स्टडी है same. I write the formula, the chemical formula, not the structure formula. C2H6. This is the methane, this is the ethane, propane, C3H8, butane, pentane, ये लोग what is the similarity between this? कोई सिमिलरिटी इसमें है? very important question for this time, this board examination, because homologous is only given. He may be asking what is the similarity between this? All are the same formula written by the same formula CnH2n plus 2. All have the same formula. This is the similarity. All made of the hydrocarbon. What is the difference?
हाइड्रोजन चाहिए
देखो इसको इससे घटाओ तो कितना होगा, इसको इससे घटाओ
कार्बन बच जाएगा
CH2, इसको इससे घटाओ CH2, ऑल द प्लेसेस जैसे से हम नीचे आएंगे क्या देंगे CH2 विल बी इंक्रीज। तो व्हाट इज द मास ऑफ कार्बन, कार्बन मास 12, हाइड्रोजन 2 हाइड्रोजन 2 1 हाइड्रोजन 1 2 14 ग्राम विल बी रेट। तो हम क्या करेंगे जब हम नीचे आएंगे इफ डिफरेंसेस होगा 14 ग्राम विल बी इंक्रीज इज देयर and after that what happened if your mass is the now is the daily increase by the 40 kg then after 1 month
400
you are not suppose that now what is your age if your age will be increased 14 kg 14 kg per of the day then after 1 year you become the buffalo not yeah or elephant so this difference between here but the hair when we are going from lower to higher state will be changed mean methane ethane this is the natural gas methane is the natural gas it is found in the gaseous form but when we are coming in the C8 octane it is found in the liquid form petrol when we are coming more is there 1 lakh 2 lakh 2 then it becomes the solid state will be changed when number of carbon will be adding in there state will be changed and after that value will be decreased yes that's why one question more I given it there see Ky contain the carbon 20 and diesel 22 but what happens there why it will be Ky the cost more than the I say first when number of carbon compound the less its value is the more but here we see there Ky and diesel whatever diesel cost is the more than Ky why because one thing remember there when we have taken the Ky from international market it costs more than the diesel yeah lekin what happened but when it come in the India after that government know it there it will be provided by the poor people so its cost will be decreased and that cost will be taken by the petrol and diesel इसका दाम को कम कर दिया था भारत में और इसको क्या किया था इसका दाम पेट्रोल और डीजल पे बैठा देता हाँ that's why what happened there Ky only found in the control limited if you want to take the 10 liter of the Ky never given only 1 liter for the family member why because he get the loss and you go to the diesel he will give you the 100 liter but Ky go and say sir give me 10 liter never give it why because in the Ky government get the loss in the international market they have taken the Ky more cost yes after that when it come in the India after that what will it cost will be decreased and that money how much will be decreased there that money have been taken collect from the petrol and diesel because you know it there petrol and diesel who is running of the bike is there they are poor not a poor people they have taken it there but Ky only for poor people only for people they get the same so homologous series mean same so this is the same they may be ask you what is the differences what is the similarity is that all belong to the same formula CnH2n2 plus 2 and what is the difference all state when we are coming from lower to higher all the state 14 kg will be 14 gram mass will be increased yes and after that what happen state will be changed methane ethane propane butane LPG gas is given the butane after butane what happen gas will be changed in the liquid form when we are coming the C8 it become the liquid petrol liquid octane when we are coming more to more is there 20 up to the 100 liquid after that solid it start becoming the solid more to more join it there then it become more solid yes Now, if you want to ask any question, ask it there. Yes. What question? This is the ethine. This thing is the ethane, it is ethine. Now you burn it there. इसको जैसे हम चलाएंगे, it given the Shruti flame. It given the Shruti flame. Shruti flame मैंने तक क्या given your burning is there, black will become. काला काला आएगा. अंदर शिफ्ट कर लो. ये नहीं रहेगा, ये भी ये जो है not given the Shruti flame. Blue flame has given. Shruti flame is black. जब कोई मोमबत्ती जलाओगे तो क्या होगा? काला काला आता है. Shruti flame. They contain more portions of carbon. Pollutant of carbon. तो हम ये दोनों दो कार्बन है, इसको जलाएंगे more Shruti flame देगा, ये नहीं देगा. So why? Why? Question is that why? Because it contains the only 2 hydrogen. It contains the 6 hydrogen. So carbon will not complete combustion. Incomplete combustion that means is carbon. ये इनकम्प्लीट कंबशन होगा. क्या होगा? इनकम्प्लीट कंबशन होगा, क्या देगा ये? कार्बन. येलो पोर्शन ऑफ कार्बन. कार्बन का टुकड़ा देगा, पोर्शन. दैट मेक द पोर्ट ब्लैक. ये क्या है? अब देखो जो जो हम हायर जाएंगे, कार्बन मीथेन है. हाँ, ये प्योर है. व्हाई? बिकॉज 1 कार्बन 4 हाइड्रोजन सफिशिएंट टू बर्न इट हियर. लेकिन जैसे प्रोडक्ट बढ़ेगा, जैसे क्या हेक्सेन, how many hydrogen is there? 6 carbon, 6 hydrogen 14 है. ये के लिए 4 चाहिए, तो 6 के लिए कितना चाहिए? 6 के लिए 24. ये कार्बन के लिए 4 हाइड्रोजन कंप्लीट. हाँ, अब हेक्सेन जब लिखेंगे इससे हाइड्रोजन कमेगा. और इससे नॉट कंप्लीट कंबशन टेक्स प्लेस. दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंड, दे आर गिवन द पोर्टेड ऑफ कार्बन. ये पोर्टेड ऑफ कार्बन देगा. इसलिए क्या है कि देखो अभी क्या है, पेट्रोल हम लोग जला रहे हैं. पेट्रोल करा क्या, हम लोग जो है मिथेनॉल